calculate the y-intercept and the x-intercept for each equation in standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals to c. So we're just calculating the y and the x-intercept. We sketch the graph. That means when they say sketch, don't do slope. Just sketch it using the x and y-intercept. Okay, let's start with the y-intercept. Y-intercept, you'll remember this, is making x equal to 0. And if we make x equal to 0, it's like 0. So like this does not exist at all. So we only get negative 6y equals 72. Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. Y equals to negative 1, 2. So negative 12 right there. Okay. X-intercept. Start it again. X-intercept is like y equal to 0. So when you make y equal to 0, 6 times 0 is 0. And 0 means it's not there at all. So that's just a positive 8 then. X equals to 72. Divide by 8. X equals to 9. 8, 9, 10. So 9 is about right there. Connect the dots. Oops, sorry. Then you've sketched it. If they want further, you can always use rise over run, but it's not more difficult than it looks. Okay. Remember, y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. X equal to 0 makes that non-existent. We got 15, positive 15y equals to 45. Divide by 15. The answer is y equals to 3. So the y line, find 3. It's 2, 4. 3 is right there. Okay? X-intercept. Okay, is when y equals to 0. We got 3x equals to 45. Divide by 3. Okay, x is equal to 15. So x is 15. It is right here. It's 14, 15. Draw the lines like that. There we go. On Monday, Ashley started typing her. Sorry, Ashley. Oh, look. I even used everybody's name. And then I put his. I'm really confused. I was really tired last night, you guys, while I was making this. Tell you the truth. Okay. Anyway, someone is typing the history paper. And they typed the first day 19 words. They typed 19 words in 10 seconds. On Tuesday, that was on Monday. So confusing. I'm so sorry, you guys. On Tuesday, she typed 10 words in 4 seconds. Remember, even though 10 words in 10 seconds, it is not 19 and 10. It is 10 and 19 because time always comes first. The independent is x, okay? Time is always x, so that's 4 and 10. Write a linear equation in point-slope form. Now, they don't want it in y-intercept. They only want it in point-slope. So y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. Like that. Okay? So we got, we need to find slope here. So in order to find slope, we do m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? So we have m equals y2 is right here, x2 is here, x1, y1. So that's 9 minus 10 over 10 minus 4. Okay, that gives you negative 1 over 6. Negative. There's something wrong. It's 19. See? Thank goodness, guys. I thought this was a comma. That 19, that 1 was a comma. Okay, that's 9 over 6. It's called the rate of change, or 3 over 2. What is the rate of change? Okay, make this in point slope. So I'll use 4 and 10, okay? So y minus 10 equals to 3 over 2 parentheses x minus 4. That is point slope. That's my answer. I can stop there. What is the rate of change? The rate of change is slope. The rate of change is 3 over 2, which means 3 words, because 19 are words, these are words, these are words, and this is seconds. So 3 words, it means 3 words for every 2 seconds. Now, what is the unit rate and what does it mean? Unit rate is 1. Okay, unit rate, and what does it mean? So 1. So you need to use a calculator and go. Okay, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Oh, I gave the answer, that's why. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. The unit rate is, bring your own calculator on Tuesday, guys. A lot of people are destroying my calculator, so I'm not leaving it out. Is 1.5 over 1, meaning this person, Jaden, he, she, type, meaning he, she type 1.5 words a minute. 1.5 words a minute. A second, actually. These are in seconds. Okay? Now, they want you to graph. Okay, graphing, we cannot have. Okay, there's many ways to graph. I can show you a new way, but we'll just do what we've been doing. It's like our highest number is 19. We'll just number everything by 1. I hope you all write smaller than I did and have enough room. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me solve the equation right here. Y minus 10 equals 3 over 2 parentheses x minus 4. Okay? Y minus 10 equals 3 over 2x and 3 over 2 times 4. Okay? Add 10, y equals 3 over 2x plus 4. Okay? We graph that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So our y-intercept is at 4. From there, go up 3 over 2. Up 3 over 2. Okay. And coordinate 10, 12. 4, 10 is right here. And 10, 19 is right here. 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, 10, 19. Right there. So that's how we know our line is correct. We got the y-intercept lines going up because slope is positive, and the 2 points that's given in is in the equation. Now another way to graph is, anyway, Yale is saving for a new video game. Okay, Yale is saving for a new video game. Yale have saved $110 in his saving account after a total of 2 weeks. Now $110, that's dollar. That's always the dependent. It's 110 in 3 weeks right there. And then the other one is 8 weeks in 160. Okay. Point slope, and then graph. Haha, didn't ask any other question. Thank goodness. Okay, point slope. First find slope. M equals y2. Point slope is y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we got m equals 160 minus 110 over 8 minus 3. That's 50 over 5. M is 10. Okay? So let's use the equation. Y point slope minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Y minus, I'll use 3 and 10. 10 equals to 10 parentheses x minus 3. Let's check. Oh, that's 110. Wow, look how careless I am. Almost got it wrong. Y minus 110 equals to 10x minus 30. Add 110. This gives you y equals 10x plus 80. Okay, so how do we number this? Let's number it by 10, because slope is 10 anyway. Going up by 10, so that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. And number on the side, there are weeks and savings. Ooh, I forgot to label my graph here. I hope you guys did not forget. This is 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are time in seconds. The independent variable and the dependent variable is words typed. Okay, so this one here, okay, time in week. Okay, 2, 4, so times in week. And this is total savings in dollars. Okay, I'm going to erase this because I took up too much space. I need to get up. I'm getting tired. Savings in dollars. Falling asleep. Anyways, the only one here is point slope. Make sure you know that this is the answer only for this one. I solved this to graph. Should have stopped here, but I needed to solve to graph. Okay, so this is the answer. That's point slope. Solve it to graph. Graphing at, been doing this for a while, honey, 80. From there you go 10. Slope is 10 over 1. Negative 10 over 1. Negative 10 over 1. Okay. Make sure you understand what the Y-intercept means and what is the X-intercept, what these points mean, because I'm going to ask on the test, what's the X-intercept, what's the Y-intercept mean. This means at 8 weeks, there's $0 left in his savings account. Does that sound right? No, it does not, because he's saving, he's not spending. So I know down 10 over 1, this is wrong. Oh, Miss Wilcox is wrong again. So in this case, the slope is positive, and I said negative. So go up 10 over 1, up 10 over 1, up 10 over 1. These are in tens. Three, 100, 3, 110, 8, 160. Yep, that's right. That's all the points in there. And the Y-intercept is at 80. And it's going up. The slope is positive and it's going up.